Welcome to my channel Lab Activity Y. Today we are going to series connection. Series connection means the positive terminal of one light is connected to negative terminal. We will use series connection in our daily life. In functions, we will use some lights. The lights are connected in series because in series connection the voltage is more. So we will use series connection because if we use parallel connection in that light, the lights will dash. So series connection is good choice. Now we are going to do. Now we are going to do series connection on breadboard. Let's start. Required materials are I am using two LED lights. Next a battery. Next connecting wire. Let's start to do. In series connection, I already inform you. Plus should connect to negative. See these LED lights? The largest terminal is positive and the smallest terminal is negative. I am going to do on this breadboard. I am connecting positive on my right side. Means battery side I am connecting positive. Means this is negative, this is positive. For this LED light, the positive terminal is largest terminal, so I am connecting. See, this is negative terminal, this is positive terminal. I am connecting negative to positive. We have done series connection. Now I am going to supply electricity for this breadboard. This is the negative of battery. Means I am going to give here. This is the positive of battery. I am giving here. You can see the glow of LED lights.